You have to go. No.
Why?
Come on.
Mayor,
No.
do you mind if I borrow Doc's ticket?
We have to go.
I'd love to.
Celia.
Careful.
Roman, malapit na mag-speech si Espanto. Now's the perfect time to do it.
Mayor, kanina ko pa hindi makakontak yung tao ko.
Anong ibig mong sabihin? Nasaan siya? Umalis ba siya?
Hindi aalis yun eh.
Akala ko ba maayos yung kinuha mo? Palpak naman yung tao mo eh.
Mayor.
Sige. Ayusin mo na lang yan, ha? Balitaan mo ako.
Is everything okay? Sino naman yung palpak mong kausap?
General, it's just my new staff. I'm sorry you had to hear that. I'm just very frustrated.
Okay, that's normal. You know, if I were you, let your staff figure it out himself. You should be enjoying the night.
Thank you for that, General. You know, you should be enjoying your night also.
Definitely. Alam mo, kausap ko yung girlfriend mo kanina eh. Oh, I'm sorry. Ex mo pala. Bakit mo naman pinabayaan mangyari yun? Mind you, biyudo ko. At mayaman. Joke lang. Anyway, I have to freshen up. I have to prepare for my speech. Kita tayo mamaya. Mag-iinuman pa tayo ni Flores. Ha? Relax lang, Mayor.